Marinated anchovies are a traditional dish from southern Italy, particularly the Campania region. Here is the recipe to prepare them. Ingredients: 500 grams fresh anchovies, flour as needed, lemon juice, garlic, 2 cloves, chopped parsley to taste, extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste, pepper to taste. Preparation: clean the anchovies by removing the head and entrails. Rinse them under running water and pat dry with paper towels. Open the anchovies like a book, remove the central bone, and arrange them on a cutting board, skin side down. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, then lightly flour on both sides. Heat extra virgin olive oil in a pan and sauté the garlic cloves to flavor the oil. Remove the garlic and fry the anchovies in the hot oil until golden on both sides. Drain the anchovies on paper towels to remove excess oil. Arrange the anchovies on a serving plate and drizzle with fresh lemon juice. Sprinkle chopped parsley over the anchovies before serving. Trivia: marinated anchovies are a dish much appreciated both for the delicate flavor of the fish and for the ease of preparation. The name amolicate comes from the Neapolitan term amolare, which means to soften, referring to the use of lemon, which, in addition to flavoring, makes the fish more tender. It is a light summer dish and is often served as an appetizer. Remember to pair with a good, fresh, fruity Campanian white wine to best enhance the flavor of the anchovies.